Yeah, you silly girl. You just wrapped around mommy. Finally got to lay down next to her, huh? Yeah. Hopefully you're done pawing at her face. I hear those purrs. Oh, well, I'll just leave you to that.